inspiring for us to work hard and do something good.
And it is the best start a year can get.
What we like, we need to explore and we need to take risks.
It is an impetus to work harder.
That was a really motivating show.
I think this is a rapid fire round. I enjoyed it very much.
Well, the part where the rapid fire round was going on, and the question which I liked the most was that how can I replace you?
His girlfriend was in SN and how he had to call her.
Question where Sundar was asked that how can I replace you at Google?
And he's such a down-to-earth person, like he answered the questions and it was great. Even the host of the great, Biswa, Biswa was a part of the college as well. So overall it was a great experience there.
Usme the best part was Sundar Pichai told a thing that this is not the end. A lot of students think कि placements कैसे होंगे and internship कैसे मिलेगी. That is really going to count in their life. But yeah, it counts. Obviously, small steps take you to big building. But finally, what you do in life focuses more on the thing कि you never stop, you never give up.
The seminar.
सेटबैक्स को एज अ इंस्पिरेशन देना चाहिए और अपने ड्रीम्स को फॉलो करना.
I got to learn that one thing I was very persistent on was life is a long road. You can't really stop after getting setbacks.
We gain from the experience first of all, and we get to share the memories from the past. So like we can relate how which things have changed and which have not.
We learned a lot of things like many fundas about leadership and the way he has come out of his metallurgy and got into Google. That's what we are thinking.
The thing he mentioned was that we should explore everything in campus that KGP life offers us.
We should not restrict ourselves.
And it doesn't matter whether you are from IIT or from any other college.
We should actually focus on hard work. That's all that matters.
Take a direction and move towards that side.
It's not academic is not just the most important criteria. Practical experience and a lot of desire to follow your passion is more important.
Despite of the fact he lives in US for the past 10-12 years, but he has not forgotten the culture of India and mostly his college. Especially he remembers all the he even mentioned ki diya wala thing that we call as illumination.
That is very unique to IIT KGP. So.
Yeah, I just think he might be feeling so nostalgic mentioning all these things.